So Vishwanath, in his 5 factors, he said, there's 3 factors to cure the material disease, whatever serious disease. If it's serious, very serious disease, it takes time factor and a long time. And it takes medicine, and it takes a doctor. So the material disease of lust, or just material desire, is very grave and very serious disease, which we all have. So the doctor in this case is the guru. Then the medicine is threefold. One is Guru Agya, he gives you an order. Then he gives you different orders to do different sevas. And then then he gives you a practice, a sadhana. You have to do this sadhana. You chant 1 lakh rounds every day and do 3 parikramas of Govardhan. That should wear you out. Now you should be so tired after that that you won't have any more disturbance. You won't have any more desires except sleep. And that's okay. You can sleep. That's not a bad desire. But don't sleep for your whole life. So there's the orders, and then there's different maybe sevas with a seva. It's called sevagya, and then there's the sadhana, the practice of sadhana, and then meditating on Krishna. He says because it's abhyas, so we have to repeatedly. We can use this word abhyas to all 3 factors of this medicine. You need a doctor, you need a guru. You need the time factor, you need a time factor. Serious, very serious material disease takes a long time. So it may take a long time because our disease is more serious. Because diseases of the body are easy to cure, but diseases of the heart are very difficult to control, difficult to cure. If you have a heart, someone breaks your heart, it may stay broken for your whole life. You get married at a young age, and then after a few years you get divorced, and your whole life may be disturbed by that. So that disease is always sitting in your mind. So this emotional disease or mental disease, disturbance, are even worse than physical. So it's the greatest disease. So we have the doctor, then we have the time factors. So we should expect that this great disease we have of material attachment, a material desire, may take some time. It's not just a 3-day cold capsule. You take this capsule, 1,500 mg per day, 3 days, Asrath or whatever it is, this, that. You take it 3 times a day, you'll be somewhere else. You'll sleep most of the 3 days, but finally the disease is gone. So this is going to maybe take longer for some and shorter for others, because maybe some practiced in last life and others didn't. It's hard to say. So the time factor and the 3 medicines are the guru. Not the 3 medicines, but the 3 medicines in this case are following the orders of the guru, Guru Agya, which means Guru Seva, Guru's orders, then following a path of sadhana, then meditating on Krishna.